I'm busy. No brakes, no issue. I'm dizzy. I'm dizzy now.
Forgive this decadent lighting, my usual face light died, much like the battery on the Crazy Cart is dead after that rip. I did shred off camera for about an extra 10 to 15 minutes, but you got the bulk of the good driving, if you shall. Which is my initial thought about the Crazy Cart, is not that it needs any mods, upgrades, it needs more power, or anything like that, is I need to get better at the core fundamental of driving with it, because a lot of those 360s that you saw were unintentional. They were cool, but I was trying to hold the angle, and you gotta use a severe degree of finesse with that little e-brake, that ripstick, because I was thinking in my head, it can't be that precise to where you kind of feather it or anything like that. It really is. The higher you go, the more on caster you are, and you could really see that from the third person footage. So before I spend any money on the Crazy Cart, increasing the power, adding brakes, customizing the looks, I'm gonna work on the fundamentals of becoming a good Crazy Cart ripper. Things like being able to ride in reverse, how to go from top speed of 12 miles an hour to an emergency braking situation, and most importantly, how to actually hold drift angles around a corner. You can see I did a few pretty clean ones in the video, but they weren't long sweepers like I see other Crazy Cart riders doing, so I'm gonna get better at the fundamentals of riding a Crazy Cart. This was my first time, and not to toot my own piccolo, I think I did pretty good. I just gripped it and ripped it. So much fun. They are linked in the description below. Crazy Carts are currently the cheapest I've seen them on Amazon, $460 as opposed to the $530 or whatever the hell I paid for it. If you're gonna modify these things, I recommend, like I mentioned in my initial review, hopefully this video came out after that would make more sense, is to check out used options on Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, etc. Because if you're already gonna modify it, you don't really need a well-maintained battery or motor or controller, because all that's getting thrown out anyway. It's getting e-wasted and you're putting your own in from a kit. I had a blast with that cart. One of the most fun PEVs I've ever put my big ass in. Drop in the comment section below what you think of the video that you witnessed today. Do you want to see more Crazy Cart content? It doesn't really matter if you say no, because I'm still going to upload more because it's that fun.